Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're comparing two mental health platforms, and they are Liven app and Woebot Health. Both focus on emotional well-being, but their approaches are completely different. Let's break it down. When we look at Liven app, the main focus is AI-powered daily wellness support, while Woebot Health focuses on evidence-based digital therapeutic for mental health. When we look at how it works, Liven app uses a chat-based AI coach with mood check-ins and stress tips. Woebot Health uses CBT-based conversational agent clinically tested. While the key strengths of Liven app are mood tracking, personalized wellness nudges, and is accessible for daily use. While the key strengths of Woebot Health is that it's backed by clinical trials and helps with depression, anxiety, postpartum mental health. When we look at their price, Liven app is free. It has a free plan. It also has affordable premium. While Woebot Health is offered through healthcare providers and securers and insurers. We'll look at who or what they're best for. The Liven app is best for users seeking daily stress relief and motivation. While Woebot Health is best for patients needing structured, clinically validated support. Last, let's look at the output style. So Liven app gives you conversational advice, reminders, and wellness tips, while Woebot Health gives you structured CBT style conversation and therapeutic exercise. So in conclusion, Liven app works like a friendly AI buddy. It checks in on your mood, sends your wellness tips, and gives quick support throughout your day. Woebot Health, however, is much more clinical. It's an FDA-recognized digital therapeutic, delivering CBT-based mental health support for conditions like depression and anxiety, and it's often prescribed through healthcare workers. So what are you waiting for? Which one would you choose? If you're looking for lightweight daily support and motivation, Liven app is your go-to. But if you need a clinical validated tool for deeper mental health care, then Woebot Health is a better choice. Which would you pick? Let us know in the comment section. See you in the next one.